Don't miss Gentilini Motors' 41st Annual Car and Truck Show, Saturday, June 3rd, from 10 till 3. It's a free community event with Don Gentilini on the grill. Vintage cars and trucks from all eras, special car show pricing, and fun for the whole family. Show your car free. Check out classic cars and trucks free. Even enjoy food, drinks, and activities all free. From 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. at Gentilini Motors, 500 and 555 John S. Penn Boulevard in Woodbine, New Jersey. We hope to see you there.